Hi all, my name is Sabari and I'm happy to let you know that I'm coming up with a new playlist in my YouTube channel which is going to focus on Spring Framework. I'm going to teach you on Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring Boot. So as a first level, we are going to catch up from the base. We are going to understand what Spring Core is all about. And my videos are going to be more of practical demonstration. And also I'll be coming up with an animated approach of explaining the concepts wherever applicable. So please do stay focused on my videos and also ensure that you do a lot of practice over my videos, which is very important. Just by observing my videos or my demonstrations might give you a skill on conceptual understanding on a first level, but as you go on with more of experience on the Spring, then sure you need a lot of practical work. So you need to practice more, do a practice every day, at least with one concept, and try to recall that concept again by doing another set of practice somewhere a week later, so that you keep consistently recalling the concept again and again. And I'm sure that you will take those informations straight into your permanent memory. So this is the style of learning that I would advise to my audience. So I advise you, please do uh, spend some more time on doing practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Now in my videos I'll be also talking about international certification. So our target is going to be on international certification. So as we go along learning these concepts, later I'll be coming up with an approach of where the training will be inclined towards appearing for the international certification also. I'll be giving more detail about it in my upcoming videos. So in the next video, what we are going to talk about is what are the prerequisites. If you're coming up from the Java background, then sure this video playlist could be a advantage for you, because to learn Spring Framework, indeed we have to know core Java. A minimum requirement is core Java, but I would also advise if you gain some knowledge on servlets and JSP, it would be great, because as we go along with Spring MVC or Spring REST based applications, then sure you need servlets and JSP skills. I would not insist JSP, but then servlet is something very important. Okay, so this is what my short briefing is all about. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and it's going to be interesting, and also you can learn more on real-time environment of code as well. So till then, have a great day. Thank you all.